today we are going to be going to a family's house for lunch, and yeah, we'll just be spending the day there. I thought this would be a good time to explain how even though Mum and I are staying in her hometown village, it's like you can still see the city from the village, and it would only be like 5 or 10 minute drive to get to the closest city. The village, and then if you look, the city. Yeah? New glasses. Before and after. Rebecca thinks I'm gonna look good in these. Oh, no!
No, I think a car is suited for you.
等一会儿。哎。Why do you like these?
Very comfortable for you.
I like these ones the most.
但是他已经说了，他最喜欢西瓜了。这个是个橘点。
I don't know if I like these.
这个隧道开。
Wow.
姐姐给我的。
谢谢衣服。
真是的，哎呦，那么在那个的，那我也。哎呀，说谁呀？可是一个小衣服的衣裳啦，我的衣裳怎么做啦？哎，这个我也刚刚做得了，你随便装14个也是我，14个了，挺短了。哦，它指甲很长的。把我挖破了。哎，跟装，跟装。希望说，可能要这面貌是好的。哎，这不可买的。那打理的可怜咱们。
So I ended up spending like half a day at the doctor's, so I didn't end up filming anything. We had like a really quick lunch and then we had to go to the bank, and then we just came back and I studied for the rest of the afternoon. Change of plan, y'all, we're going to the supermarket.
你跳到哪里去？
哦，那下知道。
You called me last
I just got back from Lingping and we had like a massive shopping day and I only bought one thing. I was gonna buy a pair of pants. I'll try and put a video here. You probably already seen them anyway, but they were way too expensive and the jacket I bought was way too expensive as well. So this is a jacket. It's like this cropped windbreaker and it's got like cinching in the back. It was definitely overpriced, but I like it. I kind of needed something like this because I have a lot of like shirts like this that like it'll be hot when I'm outside, but then when I come inside it's too cold. So this is like a good little cover up.
That's my dream place, really.
What do you mean? Living in the middle of a field?
No, walk.
Oh. Look at all the rice.
Say hello. Hello. So really so exciting.
Wait, 不是 peso。
我是几妈呀？
哦 ，OK。
来，舅舅。哦哟，姐姐。
好，
舅舅。
大姨妈。
大姨妈。这是我妈妈。
妈妈。
再来一个。
三
姨妈。
这个筷子有人吃吗？
没有，咪咪姨妈。咪咪姨妈。
姨妈。
哎呦，我现在吃一点。
说吃鸡。
吃。
日本人的，那个 hello。
这个也。
还要来一次啊？
这条的
我要偷走了。
已经4年了。
哇哦。
啊，总共现在有多少？有多少企业才过才启动呀？
很喜欢吃的。
喏， 这是
5个小
对，把摆在一起。
5个小不懂嘛。
那为啥不懂们分店们呀？
摆在一起吃了很多。
很小很小。
然后妈妈回去给你做。
一个股东啊。
所以我们开会给你做也好了。有的为你参加种子
不一样的嘛。
费得蛮少。
然后做了都。
而且你大众人员，
然后他说这个鸡怎么，
我们大众人员管理公司，
不一样。
我就是执行董事呀。
那我说哎，黄金钱
那
我。
这岁数我讲了。
哎呀，有点太
我
真了。
晓得了。
对吧？搿辰光夏季大概是早恋了。
早点嘛，早点呀。
你不是早恋，俺原先。
那阿总啊，搿么你们搿中国把它弄过了，
就跟股份嘛。
把弄回来了，你把弄回来了。
我的是谁？
就看他读书毕了业以后。
姨妈说想舅舅给你找个男朋友，不是说找个男朋友。
这种老太婆坐在一起啊，
找几个人？那我觉
得
得找男朋友还是要小阿姨找那个帮你找好。
我们家
哎呀，你不要，他
为啥
自己女儿还没弄好呢。
阿姐，叫小哥哥给他
小
讲，
是呀，
叫小哥哥
找小哥哥了，对呀。
还没到好。
要示意。
跑到哪里去？
我不打起警车路边哈。
哎，我觉得人地方。读书呀，读书去了，读书去了。
啊，你们。
那我。
再见是22号见。要不要换？开心了，开心了！我们老家嘛，哎，就这个点啊，停车场那边。
Good morning, everyone. Today I have the whole house to myself, which is great. Yo, look at these. These are homemade mooncakes. Where have been? I'm not 100% sure, but I had one last night and really good. Yesterday, I actually stepped out of my comfort zone and I left my mom and I did stuff with other people. And it was good.